If you forgot your passcode on your iPhone, this is exactly what you need to do. You only have one option to fix this. You need to put your iPhone into recovery mode, and I'll show you how to do that in 4 easy steps. First, you need a computer. You need either a Windows PC or a Mac computer. So either borrow one, use your own, or if you go to the Apple Store, they actually help you by providing a computer and setting this up for you. And you also, on that computer, you need iTunes. So if you have Windows, for example, you need to download iTunes. I'll put a link below where you could just download it. If you have a Mac, it's already included on your computer. And you also need your charging cable. This is the cable that connects to your iPhone to charge it. You just need to connect it to your computer. I connected it to my Mac. You could connect it to your PC. And then this end is gonna go to set up recovery mode on your iPhone or your iPad too. Let me show you how that works. Next, you need to turn off your iPhone. So for iPhone 8 or later, all you have to do is press volume up and the side right here at the same time. And then you'll get this option and you just slide here to turn that off. So my iPhone is off. That's the second step you need to do after you have a computer. And before I show you recovery mode, one very important note. The way this works is it basically wipes your iPhone, sets it up as a new iPhone or iPad, and then uses your data that you've backed up previously. So if you have a backup on your computer or iCloud, then you could recover from that. There is no other way to bypass if you forgot your passcode besides basically wiping your phone in recovery mode and setting it up as a new phone and using the backup. So if you don't have a backup, unfortunately, you're gonna lose whatever you have on your iPhone. There's no way around it. The Apple Store can help you bypass any passcode. This is a very secure option Apple has built in. They've always had this option. So the next step, once your phone is off, you need to take the charging cable here, and I'm gonna hold this side button here. So you need to hold it. Again, if you have an iPhone that is not set up like this, click the link below and Apple shows you with all the iPhones what to press and hold. But from iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, you just have to press the side button here. I'm gonna press and hold it. While I'm holding it, I'm gonna plug this in, okay? So you have to do this at the same time and then keep holding the side button, don't let go. And while this is plugged in here on the bottom, I'm holding the side button and I'm gonna keep holding it till I see this screen. If I don't see this screen and I see the passcode screen, I didn't do it right. So I need to turn off my phone again by holding these two and then doing the same thing I've shown you so far. Then on my computer, what ends up happening is you get a pop-up. Again, you have to have iTunes installed, or if you're on a Mac, this will pop up automatically. You just need to press restore right here. Let me press that. And again, just to make sure you understand, everything on your phone will be erased, okay? A new version of the iPhone software will be installed. Then you could use your previous iCloud backup or computer backup to actually back things up on your phone and get things to how they were. But it will, again, delete everything. I'm gonna press restore and update, go through the process here, and your iPhone will stay on this screen. I'll show you what happens next. And then you'll see that your computer is restoring the software on your iPhone. So your iPhone should basically see a screen that looks like this. So let this finish up and then I'll show you how to recover from your latest backup too, if you have it. And after a while, you should see this message, your iPhone has been restored to factory setting. And then it's gonna reboot your iPhone here. I'll show you the next screen. Next, you'll need to set up your iPhone here. So on this screen, the quick start set up manually here, connect to a Wi-Fi, and then log into your Apple ID. Your backup will come from here. I'm gonna set up a new passcode that I won't forget. And on this screen, I could either choose to not transfer and set this up as a new iPhone. If I have something on a Mac or PC, and I have it connected, I could choose that. But in this case, I have an iCloud backup. So I'm gonna select that, choose my Apple ID here, type in my password. And if I have any backup here that shows up on that Apple ID, I could select that backup here. And then you could actually go through the rest of this process and restore from an iCloud backup. And as long as you have the latest backup here, your iPhone will be completely restored with a brand new passcode. Now my iPhone is completely restored. It's downloading some of the apps from my iCloud backup and it should be set up in a few minutes. Any resources I mentioned is linked below in the description and hopefully this solves your iPhone problem. Let me know in the comment section if you need more help and I'll see you next time.